Hello viewers, I'm your friend Amin Joyo and welcome to my channel. Once again, today I'm here at another historical fresco painted monuments site in KachO area, and today you are watching this crumbling structure of a canopy. This historical canopy is located in Talka Johi of district Dadu Sindh. As you can see that this is nearly to demolish here, as the structure shows that this is 2 or 300 years old monument of Talpur era, but unfortunately the descendants of these monuments had not took care of these monuments. That's why we are finding this in such a miserable condition. And I went through all monuments. There is beautiful fresco painting art, different designs, and floral painting inside these monuments. So our Department of Culture and Antiquities should visit here, and they should do the work of conservation and preservation for saving our cultural heritage of Sindh.